on YouTube? Got the old Mongo Man here. Driving here this evening, Monday night, out here in Mongo's garage. Got some help coming tonight, so we're going to try and get some more stuff done tonight than usual, because we want to get this truck out of here. All right, let's get busy, huh? Come on.
The 1 year color, only for that car, I guess, or
right.
Another thing involved. I always did like this dash.
Without completely destroying the dash.
There you go. The back of the seats. Yeah, I just have to get the on that. You coming my way or going your way?
Set it right there on the chair. Try not to crack it.
There she goes. Well, I'm a little taller. I'd come out and jab you right in the face. And I busted that.
Here she comes. The
Got it?
aluminum piece is not on it. Hey, got the old Mongo Man here. Just like I said, we got a lot done tonight. We got Brad came over and gave us a hand. You guys may remember Brad. Say hi to people, Brad.
Hi, people.
He came over tonight to give us a hand, and KJ, well, he disappeared, so I don't know where he went. But he is a young, growing man, and he's got to get his rest. At any rate, this is what we got done tonight. The dash has been completely removed, and the cab is stripped. All that's left now is the cleaning and the paint prep. We can get all that done, get the inside of this cab painted, and get her put back together. Same thing with the outside. That's all that needs done out here as well. It's all stripped. Just a couple more things out here have to come off, but other than that, it is looking good. Here's the back side of the dash with the wiring harness. I did just find out, Brad and I were sitting here, I'm gonna have to get the plugs for the alternator because they were cut off. And I was over here scratching around looking to see if possibly this wiring harness has a jumper in it for the clutch switch, but I don't know, it may not. I don't think that may be it there, but who knows, that might be it. I'll have to get into the wiring schematic book and find out if red and purple is my clutch switch. I hope it is, because then if it is, I'll be able to make the clutch neutral safety switch work. All right, so that's all for tonight. We're gonna get cleaned up here and head back to the house. Thanks for watching. Hope we have earned your subscription. Getting closer every day, so continue to hit that subscribe button, comment, and like on the videos. All right, say bye to the people, Brad.
Bye, people.
Bye, people. See ya.